Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app, popularly known as Idlefish Chinese shopping app. I have received a lot of messages concerning this particular Xianyu Chinese shopping app, whether it's a fake app or fake seller or fake supplier, scammers, different things about this particular app that has to do with negativity. I have received countless number of it, and I'm going to explain the truth about this app to you guys that are using Xianyu Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China. I have been buying from this app for a very long time, so I have a full review about this app, so I can give a full breakdown and a review, my honest review about this particular Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So if you have this app on your phone, whether on Android or iPhone, and you have been scared on how to source and ship product or deal with any seller from this particular app, consider to stay tuned to this video and hear my honest review about the Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and open up the app right here. Then having opened up the app, this particular app here is a Chinese shopping app. For those that does not really know much about this app, it's a Chinese shopping app that comprises of 85% of used items and the rest 15% are for new items that are coming from Tahoba. So that is one thing you need to know about this particular app. Now let's dive into whether the app is fake or genuine. So right here in this particular app here, the app is 100% genuine and direct from China. In fact, you can download the app on Google Play Store if you are using Android phone. So I'm using Android phone. I'm go ahead and just walk you through. Go to Play Store, then go ahead and click on search. And what you need to do in your Play Store, just type in Xianyu. Okay, when you type in Xianyu, it's going to open up like so. Just like what you see right here. I have already downloaded and installed the app. That is why it shows open. As at the time of making this video, 1 million plus I've already downloaded and used this particular app. You can check on the interface of the app right here. So for everyone using Android phone, just come to your Play Store and download the original Xianyu Chinese shopping app. For everyone using iPhone, go to your app store, type Xianyu Chinese shopping app and get the original app download and successfully install on your phone. So after a successful download and install, go ahead and hit on open. Then from here, we proceed to fake or legit. Just like so, you can see the app has automatically directed me right here. Now let's dive deep into fake or genuine of the sellers or fake or genuine store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So let's get started. Before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. With that being said, let's proceed. So like I said earlier, we want to dive deep into genuine or fake. Now, you know the app is very genuine. You can download it direct from Play Store on Android phone, and you can download it direct from App Store on iPhone. That is the answer for whether the app is genuine or fake. So there is no doubt about it. Xianyu Chinese shopping app is genuine. And then here in this app, you can easily interact with end user to sell their used item to you at a very cheap price. And at the same time, you can interact with wholesalers and manufacturers and get the product from them at a very brand new, at a very cheap price on this Xianyu app right here. Now, let's talk about fake sellers in Xianyu app. There is actually fake seller right here. There is no gainsaying about it. But how do you identify them? I'm going to use an example of some of the previous seller I have bought from them as an example for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my chat box right here. Recently, I just placed order from a store. So take a look at this particular person right here. So I'm going to open our chat right here. So this particular person right here, I just placed order from them. I will use their profile as an example on how to identify genuine seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here now and open up their profile. So you can see the product has been sold. This is because I've already made payment for this particular product right here. So what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and go back. So I'm going to go ahead and locate their profile. So I will just go ahead and click on my profile right here. Then I will make sure I locate that particular order that was paid for. Then from there, I will be able to get their profile. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Just like so. So this is the product right here that I've paid for. So I'm going to open up the machine. I will click on the product link. Just like so. Now, if you click on the product link, it still shows that the machine has been sold. So I'll just go ahead and click on it again. Now it takes me to the sales page right here. You can see it has been disabled. This is because I've already bought this machine. Now what we want to do here is to go to their profile. But first thing first, before you can go to any seller profile. Before you can go to any seller's profile on Xianyu app, this indication here is one of the number one thing you need to take into consideration. For this blue right here, it means that this is a level at which this seller is in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. They are well recognized. Any seller that has this badge right here, consider to patronize them. Lastly, go ahead and click on their profile name. So I'm just using the seller that I've purchased from so you can understand more better. So on getting to their profile name right here, you still have the blue badge right here. Then you have details. This is the buyer rating right here. A 90% is still okay that you can trust the seller. You can see the details about their profile right here. You can easily make a translation to get more information about them. But most importantly is this particular badge right here. It serves as an indication that the seller is fully recognized in Xianyu Chinese shopping app and they have a very good buyer rating right here. 90% over 100 is a great deal. So I'm just using this as an example for you to know how to identify a genuine seller on Xianyu app. Let's quickly go back right here. So I have been using this app to buy from different stores. You can see my previous order right here. Shoes, phone, pumping machine, and etc. I have bought a lot of things from different stores right here. So I know actually what I'm talking about right here. So let's quickly go back to the home page right here. So from home page right here, let's find out how to identify genuine and fake seller. So if you take a look at this particular store right here, you find out that every shoes here is brand new. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you can interact with new manufacturers that are selling new products and mixture of second hand right here. So you can see the same badge right here. This is a level 2 shop in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. They are well recognized, just like what you see right here. So if I click on their product on their page, they take us to their full sales page and they have 81% buyer rating, which is still good as the case it is. Right here, they are in level 2 on Xianyu. Let's go back to the main page right here. Go back to the main page. So I'm going to go ahead and randomly look for a store that are having a very poor rating and that are not fully trusted on Xianyu app, which is also referred as fake seller. So I'm going to look for a random store as the right. So take a look at this particular. I'm going to open up this particular store right here. Take a look at this particular store here. There is no blue badge right here. This is one of the first red flags you need to take into consideration if you are sourcing from Xianyu. Scroll down and check their product detail, blah, blah, blah. Then you can see everything here, right here. And even from the price here, you know that something is fishing. This price right here. So just like so. So let's go back to the home page right here and randomly look for another store. So let me click on this particular iPhone right here. So this one here, they are legit and they have their badge. Let's go back, click on this one. This one is a level 1 and they are legit. So anyone that you just see that particular blue badge, you can consider them. This is level 2, they are legit. Let's take a look at this one right here. Proceed to the store. You can see this one too is legit. You can consider them. This is a level 5 seller right here. So let's go ahead and click on their profile. Then they have 94% buyer rating, which is good. So let's go back. All right, take a look at this particular seller right here. Any seller that you have, so they have something like this on their badge, it means that they have a very poor rating, and don't ever consider to patronize them. Even from the price right here, you find out that something is fishing. This price here is quite cheaper for a brand new Redmi 14C with this particular storage and gig capacity right here. So any sellers, whatever they are selling, and once they have this indication, it simply means that the seller here has a very poor credit. A very poor credit on Xianyu simply means a poor rating, and don't ever consider to buy from that type of seller. So for a very clarification, I'm going to exit from here, and then I will go ahead and open up my Google Translate right here, so we can translate so everyone can understand. I'm going to click on the camera icon right here, and I will upload the screenshot. So I'm going to translate, just like so. So I'm going to zoom, so you can see the seller has poor credit. So any seller you have, that have something like this yellow badge right here, avoid them with all costs. Let's go ahead and go back to my Xianyu right here. So it's that simple. So you know the difference between fake seller and genuine seller on Xianyu now, and you know different way to download the genuine Xianyu Chinese shopping app. If you are using Android phone, just go to your Play Store, download the app. If you are using iPhone, just go to the App Store and download the app. It's that simple. If you still have question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put the question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.